Well, it's very grey, very gloomy and very, very wet this morning. It is actually raining, although not as hard as it was earlier. But yeah, I'm going to be wet by the time I get to the station, that's for sure. How wet is it? Very wet. It's still raining, obviously. Let's hope the car don't go past as I walk past this nice big puddle. Like it's going to, so I'm going to have to stop. Right, luckily he didn't drive through the puddle, so I'll just about get away with it. Although it is encroaching. Oh, through that alright. Yeah, it's very, very wet this morning. Oh well, never mind. It's not like I'm not already soaking wet by the time I get to the station, is it? Hello, little lambsies. Hello. Getting wet, I'm afraid, aren't you? Still, I suppose that's what your wall's all about. Yeah. Well, good morning. Oh, at the station finally. Bit wet. It's been raining all the way. Oh, although, to be honest with you, I'm normally soaked anyway, aren't I? But yeah, it's particularly wet this morning, as you might be able to see from across there. But yeah, so I shall see you all in the blink of an eye, I expect. Ta-ta for now.